Honey Bunch. You're a big boy now. Welcome to carrots, okay? And if it's too not thick enough, Pilar said you can add a little bit of cereal to this. You ready? Oh, big boy, yes. Okay, open up. Open up. Here you go, Honey Bunch. Ready? Aubrey. You know what to do. Come on. Uh-huh. What do you think, honey? Yummy. It's so good, right? Yay. He's looking at you like, help me, please. Help Daddy. What do you think? Yay, what do you think? Yeah? Aubrey! Do you want more? Yay! Yay! Looks like you have lipstick on. Okay, ready? 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 What do you think, babe? You like it? Do you like it? Is it good? Yeah? Come on. Come on, honey. You can do it. Open up. Good boy. That's such a good boy. That's such a good boy. Yay. That's such a good boy. Yes, it is. That's such a good boy. Yay. You're a big boy. Ready? Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay, ready? Yay! Good boy. Good boy. All right, ready for some more?
He seems to be eating it.
Yeah.
That first face didn't look good.
Oh, it was hilarious. It was new, though. All right, ready? Ooh, no. Okay. You can do it. Oops. All right. Okay, let's wipe you up just a little bit. You don't want to take it in there. Okay, ready? Come on, you can do it like a big boy.
Not a resounding endorsement of vegetables.
All right, ready, baby? You can do it. You can do it. Okay. You can do it. Ready? Oh. Honey Bunch. I know, honey. I know. I really don't want to warm him up, honey, because then he's going to get used to it just like the formula. They said, be patient, it takes time. So. This is why we start with okay. Is it that painful? Is it that painful? Okay, baby, ready? Yummy!
okay. I wouldn't eat it either.
Wait till you're older, honey. You can cook with mommy and daddy and have good food.
We ate carrots last night.
We did. We'll try a couple more spoonfuls and then you can have your bottle, okay? Okay. Aubrey, come on, baby. Come on. You gotta eat, honey. Ooh.